And the biggest vindication for the push for Naya Kashmir, former Hurriyat boss and one of the most vocal separatists, Saeed Ali Shah Gilani, has stepped down. He's gone on the war path against the Hurriyat.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। कुल जमाती हुर्रियत कॉन्फ्रेंस की मौजूदा सूरत हाल को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए मैं इस फोरम से मुकम्मल अलहदगी इख्तियार करने का ऐलान करता हूँ। इस ज़िमन में फोरम की तमाम इकाइयों को एक तफसीली ख़त के ज़रिए मुतल्ला किया गया है। अल्लाह हम सब का हामी व नासिर हो। सईद अली गिलानी।
All right, and let's listen to what the BJP had to say. In fact, they lashed out at the Hurriyat, saying that they've always practiced duplicity.
I think as far as the Hurriyat is concerned, it's always been a conglomeration which has practiced an approach of duplicity, contradictions. Now, these are some of these leaders who have been in the past part of the mainstream politics. Some of them, like for example, even Mr. Gilani, he even till date is a recipient of the pension as an ex-legislator of Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. So I think that answers for everything else. So this is just politics by other means for them. Separatism by the separatist outfits of Kashmir is not separatism by conviction. I wish it was separatism by conviction. At least they could have been more faithful to their people. It's separatism by convenience. So when they lose the plot in the mainstream, they become separatists.
शाह गिलानी ने जो इस्तीफ़ा दिया है, ये कोई शौक से नहीं दिया, उसकी मजबूरी थी। 5 अगस्त धारा 370 हटने के बाद जिस प्रकार से सारा सिस्टम बदल गया, सारी हवा बदल गई, तो स्वाभाविक बात थी कश्मीरियों ने लगातार गिलानी को बहुत देर सहा है। अब कश्मीरी भी समझने लगे हैं, पाकिस्तान भी समझने लगा है कि इन लोगों की बस तो चलेगी नहीं। और लोग उससे पूछते थे, अब क्या करते हो आप? अपने लिए तो सब कुछ करते रहे, अपने बच्चों को कोई फॉरेन में बैठा करके पढ़ाते रहे, उनकी नौकरियां लेते रहे, लेकिन आपने वहाँ के समाज के लिए क्या किया? तो मजबूरी थी और इस्तीफ़ा देने के अलावा कर भी क्या सकते थे।
The Hurriyat as it is almost irrelevant in Valley in today's circumstances, and I think he must be realizing that it is irrelevant, and virtually no one responds to their call, and the situation is turning in Kashmir, and maybe he has some other intentions. I don't know his mind, but I think overall it would be a good development for the future.
Drama of Saeed Ali Shah Gilani's resignation was due for a very long time. Since Article 370 was abrogated, the people of Kashmir saw through all the machinings that this man has been doing, exhorting them to go into strikes, exhorting them to get their children killed, while his own sons and his other relatives, they are enjoying life, they are studying abroad. Even Pakistan has realized that this man is no more a man who could be trusted, and therefore they have now withdrawn all support to him. Ali Shah Gilani, realizing that now neither my own Hurriyat members nor the Kashmiri public is with me, thought it better to resign, and I think that was the best for him.